Hi, so in front of me today is an electronic measure, okay? So, which means if I put any object under it, it should be able to give me the height of that object, okay? It should be able to measure the height of the object I'm going to put under it. Then it should give me in inches and in centimeters, okay? Before we even go on to measure our objects we have here, let's actually see how we made this before we get into the measurement. Now, on top here, we have the sensor, which is going to take the distance for us, okay? The ultrasonic sensor, which is going to detect the distance from where the sensor is mounted to where it is placed, okay? So that if you put any object under it, it should be able to give you it should be able to calculate the distance from the floor to the sensor and reduce it from the distance or from the object you're going to put. It will take the distance from the object to the sensor, then it will reduce it and give you the actual measurement or the actual height of it, okay? So apart from the sensor here, we also have our microcontroller here. Now we also have the LCD screen, which is inside here. You wouldn't see it, but you can see it here. You won't see everything. It's mounted inside, okay? That's the LCD um, display, okay? Then aside that, we also have our switch here, and then we have our usual breadboard. Then all right, so now if I put it on like this, you see that we have our screen on, and first of all it has to calibrate the distance from the floor to the sensor before you can put any other objects under it for it to measure for you. So now we are done with the calibration, and you see that it has displayed no object. That means there's no object under measure. So now let's measure our first object to actually see if it's going to give us a right figure, okay? So I have this here. If I put it under it, then it should display the height of the box under on the screen, okay. Just for you to be sure, I also have a rule here. So if I put it aside it, you see that the same measurement on the rule is showing on the monitor, okay? It's showing on the screen, okay? So you see that we have exactly the same measurement in this